Hello future DevOps. In this tutorial, we are going to learn about p tag. So let's get started. What is p tag? P tag is a paragraph tag. It helps us to create paragraph on a browser. Let me give you an example. There are many texts on the web page. This is the title tag and there are many other texts, and this is the paragraph text. You must have to use p tag to write this text. Let's see how to create p tag. At first you go to your VS Code, and I hope that you will know how to write a tag. So I type here p and hit enter, and you can see the p tag in front of us. Inside the tag I was typing lorem 10 and go to the browser and refresh. You can see this is the paragraph. Again go to VS Code. I was again typing p tag and type inside the tag lorem 20 and type p and hit enter. Another p tag is coming, and type inside the tab lorem 20 and hit enter. After go to browser, you can see there are another paragraph. So you know how to create the p tag. I hope you can understand how to create p tag. If you like this video, like, comment and share with your friend. Thank you and see you after the next video.